can I say? Happy Monday, December 7th, 2020, and I'm going to make this real quick because I got a lot of running around to do. 2021 is going to be year of reparations. I'm going to have to stretch these out into little bits, but just know this, that for 200 years, the elements of the earth have had, their energy has dominated. They take turns for 20 years each. And I'm not going to go into, the earth elements. You know what those are, or you can look that up. Well, the air elements are about to take over for 200 years, and they're going to split among themselves 20 years apiece. Now, why would that matter to me, that transition? Well, I'm an earth element as a Taurus. So where we have had that energy, an energy that I'm quite fond of, because it can relate to it. That would be, water and fire, and it's actually the combination of some earthly thing and air and combustion, and you get a fire. So, and I've always loved that. I'm fascinated by them, and I'm pretty good at making them as well under adverse conditions. In fact, in the Boy Scouts, I was the dude that got the fire going when it was pouring down rain. John could get a fire going. So that's how good I am at making fires. But, so the air elements will dominate for the next 200 years in 20-year increments each. They'll each take a turn. And I'm still doing my research as far as who's first and everything like that. But it's going to be a 6 to 7 year transition. This year was the first of the years of transition, so 6 more years like this. And just keep in mind, it's going to take 3 years to get through this COVID thing. So it's really 2022 that you can say we'll go back to some form of life that is a semblance of what it was before this. Well, actually, it's going to be better than it was before. Because now with this transition into the air elements, and the air elements dominate intelligence and technology and innovation and prosperity. I mean prosperity in the sense of a prospering, a plentiful, an abundance, as in harvest. Abundant harvest. Farmers are in for a big shock.